Google Lens is an image recognition technology developed by Google, designed to bring up relevant information related to objects it identifies using visual analysis based on a neural network. Hello, welcome to our channel, Learning Tech Pro. Today my topic, Google Lens feature. So here we discuss some Google Lens feature. When directing the phone's camera at an object, Google Lens will attempt to identify the object by reading barcodes, QR codes, labels, and text, and show relevant search results and information. For example, when pointing the device's camera at a Wi-Fi label containing the network name and password, it will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi source that has been scanned. The lens is also integrated with Google Photos and Google Assistant apps. The service is similar to Google Goggles, a previous app that functions similarly but with less capability. Lens uses more advanced deep learning routines in order to empower detection capabilities, similar to other apps like Bixby Vision for Samsung devices released after 2016 and Image Analysis Toolset available on Google Play. During Google I/O 2019, Google announced 4 new features. The software will be able to recognize and recommend items on a menu. It will have the ability to also calculate tips and split bills, show how to prepare dishes from a recipe, and can use text-to-speech. Please subscribe to our channel, Learning Tech Pro. Thanks for watching.